Welcome back. No. I can't even tell you. Let's say welcome back to your channel. Mia, what's today's segment?
Baking with Bri and Mia.
Wait, you gotta let them know that I'm deep conditioning my hair. Oh,
Yeah,
my forehead looks huge.
Yeah, her hair looks horrible.
And these are Mia's lab glasses.
Let's go.
Shut the hell up. Just for driving with me. We forgot it. Fuck this goddamn light. Hold on. Today what we're baking on the first episode of Baking with Bri is, what do they call it? Red velvet cookies and cream brownies?
Yeah.
We gotta find a way for that to flow a little bit better, Mia. That's what they look like.
Oh no, this one's not good. I'm gonna have to use one of this.
Okay, the things we need is red food coloring, a baking pan, cookie and cream kisses, but we're gonna use, pass me a Hershey's bar, please. Are we gonna use the Oreos? No.
I have Oreos.
We're gonna use the Hershey bars instead because we're putting all this in there, Mia. Show you. Okay, so we got the red food coloring. We got flour, Hershey bars, Hershey's cocoa, and Oreos. Now I never made these, Mia never made these, so this should be interesting, right, Tamaya?
Okay, preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
First step is you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Okay, first you start off with a cup and 1/4. You want to pour it, Mia? I'll hold it for you. This is teamwork makes the dream work, Mia.
3 tablespoons of cocoa flour.
2 tablespoons of cocoa flour. 3
tablespoons.
tablespoons of cocoa flour.
I hope this is a tablespoon.
Oh, shit.
I hope this is a tablespoon.
Let me see. That is a tablespoon. Yeah.
1 cup of brown sugar.
Brown
sugar, baby.
Where's the one? One cup of sugar and
And I need like a little bit of salt.
this is like the worst baking show ever.
I said 1/4 of
What the?
salt.
Now all this shit in the air making me sneeze. That's it? You don't know?
1/4 teaspoon. That's a pinch, I guess.
No fucking butter. Let's clap it up to Tamia. Best baking with Bri ever. So guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys, give you guys a little update while Tamia tries to look for imaginary butter. Because this is all we see right now. Go in the basement? And I'm coming too, right? Okay, guys, we're going to the basement with Mia. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying, we're gonna have to. That is coconut oil. Oh no, it's corn oil, Mia.
Oil is oil, honey. Just from a different fucking thing.
Okay, so we can't find no more butter. So she wants to substitute it out for corn oil. So this either is gonna be a hit or a miss. But I feel like if we use corn oil, should we make it a little bit more sweeter? Or no? This could be a fucking fail, but what? Guys, if this is a fucking fail, just know that it was all Tamia's. Just know that it was all Tamia's fault. And I had shit to do with it. All or
Yeah.
just all?
Yeah.
Don't go
Add
gradually?
eggs one at a time. How many eggs do we need? We need 2 eggs. If you do, that's what you do.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah, we love that. You just...
Oh yeah, I don't think the oil is good. Yeah, bro, you're gonna have to go get that butter.
Oh, now we're gonna throw some butter in there?
No, we're gonna do it again. All over from the beginning.
You think so, Mia?
Bro, look at that. Yeah, we can't use oil. We gotta use butter. Okay, be back in a jiffy.
Nope. Okay, guys, so Mia totally fucked up the first batch. I went to my house, you know, baking Bri to the rescue, and I bought some butter for my crib. So mind you, it's like 2:05, 2:30, 2:15, somewhere around there in the morning. Okay, so we're gonna put the butter in the microwave for 10 seconds. Yeah, so the oven been preheated. Mia's melting the butter, and I'm about to get started making this fuck ass this mixture again. So guys, it should look something like this when you're done. Okay, something like that when you're done.
Yeah.
Take a good guess what Caribbean song you're singing. What song?
Hola. Ow.
But
chip you
not on
too.
the camera. Jeez. Featuring Mia's
remember
wrist
my
job.
hand.
You saw what?
Huh?
Wait, what'd you say?
Nothing.
I'm gonna rewind that back and hear what you said. Don't punch me in the face. You got me beat. How much vanilla?
2 teaspoons.
That smells
Get
good.
a teaspoon out of the, Oh, 1 ounce or 2 teaspoons. So this whole thing is 1 ounce. You gotta put the whole thing in there.
What?
Yeah.
Or 2 tablespoons? How does that even amount up to 2 tablespoons? Okay. So we just poured it in. What the hell? Oh my god, that looks so good though. Let me get them some front of camera action. It look like hot Cheetos. Look. Yeah. Here.
I don't think we should put like a little bit at a time.
Like that.
Come on.
What? A little bit.
Okay, guys, this is how it looks so far.
Yeah. It looks like you know what it reminds me of? My Easy Bake Oven. It doesn't smell like Easy Bake Oven stuff.
No, Easy Bake Oven smells
Nasty.
stink.
Yeah, it was.
I used to eat that shit though. It wasn't cooked though. That's sick. I used to love that Easy Bake Oven.
I burnt so much shit in that oven. You wouldn't believe. We're gonna put it in this. We're gonna spray it down with some Pam. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna put half of it. Mia, that's more than half? The top is gonna be thin as shit. Okay, and then we're gonna snare it out.
The bottom gonna be thin too. See?
I just slap it in there like that. Okay, now we're gonna get the Oreos. Please tell me these aren't double stuffed.
No, they're not.
Okay, I'll help you, Mia.
Enough, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Perfect. Perfecto. Mia's gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes and see. And Mia, pull that out. What? Jeez. Real pretty, Mia.
Oh no.
Hey guys, this is what it looks like. Mia's great idea to put it back in the oven to melt. Right, Mia? You see the detail? Ready? Cheers. It's hard to chew. I definitely been to Oreo. I knew that. You like it, Mia? I like them. Mia likes them. I feel like you can use a little bit more sugar.
Yeah.
This would taste good with some condensed milk.
I do agree with the sugar though.
But it's gonna take root for your mouth too.
Because it's hot.
I would recommend these for Valentine's Day to get it. What do you think, Mia? Valentine's Day, Christmas?
Valentine's Day. If I ate this on Valentine's Day, I'll make it. You know it.
You just said you was like anybody's, you name it?
No.
That's what I got from that. Are we done here, Mia?
Yeah. Peace out.